Thank you for being here. मेरा चश्मा उल्टा हो गया था यहाँ पे मैंने सुना. We are in our 22nd year, something I had mentioned last month also. And in these eventful 22 years of our existence in this market, we've grown dramatically, basis deep consumer insights and research. Today, we have a very strong presence in Hindi general entertainment with three strong channels, Sony, Sub and Pal. Likewise, in Hindi movie genre as well, we have a very strong presence with 4 channels. In English movies, we have 3 channels, 2 English general entertainment channels, 1 regional channel, Sony Art, in Bangla language. We have 2 infotainment channels that we just launched a month ago, Sony BBC Earth. And then finally, we have a very, very strong presence now in sports with 9 sports channels, including the 5 of 10 that we had acquired last year. We have always attracted a lot of kids to our channels on our networks through our content, चाहे वो सोनी रहा हो जिसपे बच्चों को CID बहुत पसंद आता रहा है. I've met a lot of young people who have said कि जब मैं इतना सा था तब से मैं CID देख रहा हूँ, and that's a reality because CID itself is 19 years of age now. They would have been really, really young at that time. Or Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, which has been there for 9 years, has attracted a lot of young kids. Balveer has attracted a lot of young kids. So we decided that since we have so many kids coming along with their families on the network, why not give them a destination of their own where they can come and be themselves, have a lot of fun, and be happy. And therefore, we decided to launch a kids channel. And today we are here to announce the launch of Sony Ye, which is our kids channel, which goes on air next Tuesday on the 18th, I'm told at 6 a.m. I'll be up bright and early to see the channel, and I'm sure you will do too. We're launching this channel in 3 languages, Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu. And subsequently, we will launch in other languages as well, but this is just the beginning. I don't want to take away the limelight from the lady who sits at the helm of this channel. She is the one whose vision actually is now getting translated into Sony Ye. I would like to invite on stage Leena Datta.
Thank you.
Yay!
Yay! Time to yay, guys. And a very warm welcome and thank you very much for coming on this occasion. People from Mumbai and people from outside of Mumbai. NP sir touched upon the genesis of Sony Ye and the requirement for an entertainment kids channel. I'd just like to throw a few basic building blocks. This entire idea was conceived a year and a half ago when we actually delved into the numbers of SPN networks and the kids' audiences and how many kids are residing on the network itself. Like he mentioned, why not then spin it around, give our loyal young audiences a destination for their own and of their own. So we started our entire research, which actually went across the length and breadth of the country. We went actually to around 10 to 15 metros and mini metros combined. We spoke with our target audience, which was 4 to 14 young boys and girls. We spoke with their mothers. We also spoke with their elder brothers or elder siblings who were actually the role models for them. We interviewed them, we asked them about the likes, their dislikes, what TV they consume, why do they consume, what characters they like, what do they like in a particular show. We then moved a little away and found out from their counselors and some child psychologists the issues that the kids face today. So we put all of that, culminated it, and got our little nuggets, our little pieces that we took from these insights, and we started defining the DNA for Sony Ye. I know exactly what the DNA for Sony Ye stands for, but I'd like you also to let me know what you think should be there in the channel. I know while coming inside over here, you guys had scribbled some things that you are expecting from Ye. I'll again call upon Mangesh to come over here and just help me through this task and this entire piece of magic once again. Mangesh, आइए जी.
So, the moment you walked in, जैसे आप अंदर आए थे, बाहर एक काउंटर था, उस पर कुछ लोगों ने, आई एम श्योर सब लोगों ने लिखा नहीं, बट कुछ लोगों ने लिखा है कि what do you expect from a channel, from such a kind of channel. So we have made something out of it, and can we please have it here? So we have some pictures, and with that we have the things that people have said. वो back कहाँ है? I want to focus on certain things, not everything. We cannot take कि जो 100 लोगों ने लिखा, 200 लोगों ने लिखा, वो क्या है वो ले नहीं सकते. So we're going to focus on a few things. So I want you, ये बंदा आपके पास आएगा, please go. Just put your hand in, take out one chit. Whatever chit you have, just take it, keep it with you, and then we'll come back to you. तो हम लोग 4-5 चिट्स निकालेंगे, वो आपके पास रखिए, and then we'll see कि उसमें क्या आता है, and we'll focus on that. Okay? Is that fine? Okay.
Perfect.
अभी हाँ open कीजिए, but don't say anything, just open it, keep it with you, and then one by one, whoever has the chits, please stand up, and we will have a mic going to them. चार पांच is enough, 5 हो गए, कितने बाकी? Finally one more. Okay, are we done? So please open it up and take the mic, and sir, what is the word that you have?
No word.
Blank है. मैंने कहा था ना आपको कि चश्मे के ऊपर से कि I can tell you what you can tell from a person who has this. So जिसने लिखा होगा, I can tell you that person is lazy. Blank छोड़ दिया. Okay, please sir. Desi, ma'am.
Desi, absolutely. One thing which we found lacking in the research was a lack of Desi content. So what we actually set out to do is build a template on Desi characters, local flavor, local dialects, and incorporate all of these elements into our new 4 shows that we're launching. So yes, Desi, bang on. Next.
Yes, sir. Must. Sorry. Masti.
Masti. Yes. That is what kids want. That is what kids do. That is essential to them. That is what they thrive on. The Masti quotient is something which we knew that had to be there, that had to kind of scream out loud. And from Masti is what we actually derived our brand name, Ye. So yes, bang on.
I got the best word, happiness.
Happiness.
Happiness is something which Ye as a brand wants to put forth in terms of the adjectives for any kid, for our consumer. We want the kid to be happy. We want the kid to enjoy Ye. We want the kid to always find happiness in whatever part of Ye that he's seeking, whether it's through content, whether it's through our brand ambassador, whether it's through any small little detail and element that is on Ye. And that's basically what our attempt is, to give him wholehearted happiness.
Yes.
It's written not just TV.
Not just TV.
Not just TV, yes. So Ye is basically our brand's purpose, like I mentioned, is happiness. We want Ye to be not only there as a channel, but we want to actually create a full-fledged ecosystem. For that, we're not restricting, the Ye-ness only to watching TV, but we will extend that across all our marketing initiatives, starting with the launch campaign. We have, a very extensive promotional campaign which spans over the length and breadth of the country, into malls, we're reaching out to wherever the kids are for summer. Yes, so it's not just confined, it's out of home as well.
Are we left anything? Yes. Comedy?
Correct. Comedy and...
Comedy Plus it says actually. Right? Yeah.
Oh, Comedy Plus, yes. So that's, in fact, the core of all our programming, comedy. We wanted to give the entire flavor tweaked towards comedy plus something. So all our shows, right from our 3D animation show to our rest of the 2D shows, will have comedy as the main ingredient, layered with a comedy action, or comedy ghost stories, or comedy pet stories. But yes, comedy is one of our key ingredients in our content mix.
Anything else left?
अरे, one important
sir,
thing.
आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
बिल्कुल कहना चाहूँगा, मेरे पास भी कुछ है, उसके बिना ये पूरा नहीं हो सकता.
Which is? Oh, Sony. Of course, it has to be Sony. So if you put all of this together,
Yes, of course.
if you put all of this together, there's something we make out of it, which is
Ooh.
Sony A. Can you have the poster, please?
Nice.
Okay.
So, sir, I'll request you to reveal the brand film and our channel packaging.
Okay.
Do the honors.
Without further ado, let's
Roll.
show them what Sony A is all about. Roll the AV, please. Thank you.
So now that you know and you've got a close look at who our brand ambassador is, we'll come to that as saving the best for the last. But before that, I'll take you across through what our entire programming lineup is going to be all about. As I've already mentioned, that we have actually reached out to the kids, interviewed with the kids, and done a focus group discussion. And we have taken from them as to what they would want to see in the channel, what they would want to see as their content, and what pieces that they would actually relate to and why. So we put together an array of thought starters from where we actually got our 4 main ideas for our 4 shows of launch. The first one, which I'm going to introduce you, is a 3D animated comedy called Guru Aur Bhole. As the name suggests, it's about these 2, Guru and Bhole. It's actually the first ever musical animated comedy. It is not being, the genre has not seen this kind of a comedy. It's not been done ever. We have, in fact, been very fortunate to have Mr. Amit Kumar render the songs for Guru. Guru is a singer and Bhole is his best friend. Together, they actually create magic from music, where Guru is the musician and Bhole is the dancer. They get out of each and every sticky situation through Guru's music and Bhole's superpower in dancing. So without further ado, I will show you the promo for Guru Bhole and get them on stage to entertain you.
इतने सारे लोग किस लिए आए हैं?
अरे बांगड़ू, ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए आए हैं रे।
हैं? प्रेस? किसे प्रेस करना है गुरु? मैं करता हूँ प्रेस।
अरे बांगड़ू, प्रेस नहीं करना है, इन्हें इम्प्रेस करना है रे।
अच्छा, चलो चलते हैं।
हाँ चलो।
Thank you, Guru. Thank you, Bhole. That was indeed a swell performance. Gaye Guru or Bhole Nache. Yes. Now moving on to our next local Desi flavor. It's called Sab Jholmal Hai. Like I mentioned, everything is going to resonate with comedy. The name Sab Jholmal Hai suggests just that. Sab Jholmal Hai is a crazy chase comedy, And it's unique in its nature because we're talking about here 4 pets who are the protagonists. Honey Bunny, the 2 cats, Zorawar, the obedient dog, and Popat, the parrot. They all live in the house of Miss Katkar, and they're up to mischief, mayhem, and madness once she's away from the house. So let's take a peek into Sab Jholmal Hai. Now moving forward to our 3rd show, it's called Prince Jai or Damdar Veeru. It's a classic tale of 2 friends, Prince Jai and Damdar Veeru. It's basically where the modern meets the old. Prince Jai has got his brains, so he keeps creating gizmos. Or Damdar Veeru is all about his brawn power. Together, they come together and they kind of just finish off each and every ploy that their sinister minister has in store for them. So let's watch some snippets of Prince Jai and Damdar Veeru and get them on stage to do a performance for you guys. Thank you, Prince Jai. Thank you, Damdar Veeru. Thank you, kids. For our 4th show, which is called Papometer. Yes, as the name suggests, Papometer is a laugh out loud ghost comedy. It's basically set in Bhootlok, where the Bhoot boss and his 2 left and right hand lieutenants, Thakela and Pakela, go down to earth to ward off the entire paap that is happening. And the paap is not for any adults, it is the kids' paap actually. So it's basically cream biscuit mein se kisne cream chori ki? Ya ye cycle chor kaun hai? So let's take a look at what Papometer looks like. And now without further ado, I present to you our Ye ambassador, Mr. Tiger Shroff, who has been so vivacious, energetic, fresh, and has given Sony Ye a completely Ye time. Thank you.
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबॉडी। अच्छा, हम लोग का परफॉर्मेंस हो गया अभी। व्हाट इफ यू गाइस जॉइन अस? क्या बोलते हो? एनीबॉडी फ्रॉम द वेस्ट? मनोज आजा। चलना चलना, एक बार आजा, चलना। सिंपल स्टेप है, चल आजा। कैन वी हैव सम ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स मे बी फ्रॉम यू गाइस कमिंग? बहुत सिंपल है, देख हाथ ऐसे। Can I have one more character? Great. आप लोग यहाँ पे आ जाओ सामने। कम। Okay. Ready, मनोज? अच्छा, वो भी सिखा दूंगा तुझे। क्लैप फॉर मनोज एवरीबॉडी। चल भी जंप भी हो जाए। एक नॉर्मल जंप मार दे भाई। चल साथ में जंप करते हैं, नॉर्मल जंप। तू यहाँ पे कूद, मैं वहाँ पे कूदूंगा, ठीक है? हाँ, बिंदास बिंदास।
Oh, that was fantastic, sir. Thank you. और इससे जाना नहीं सर। Now is the time that you've been waiting for, sir. एक तो आप, we are going to take a selfie. Okay. But first, यहाँ पे सबके टेबल्स पे वो रखा हुआ है हाथ, राइट? जो राइट हैंडेड लोग हैं वो राइट हाथ में पहने, जो लेफ्ट हैंडेड लोग हैं वो राइट हाथ में पहने। तो बेसिकली राइट हैंड में पहनना है उसको। और इट ऑल स्टैंड अप, प्लीज स्टैंड अप और ऐसे खड़े रहिए।
Can I have one as well?
Yes, sir. अच्छा,
Do I get a glove?
Oh, the hand.
Help you, sir, and lean on stage.
And I would also like to invite Leena ma'am and NP sir, please, for this. Can you please, sir, join us?
How are you? Well.
Hi. Good. How are you? Sorry, I can't shake my hand with this. I'll come here.
Thank you. So this is for you to click selfie.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
I'll take the photo otherwise.
Okay. Point there.
Okay.
Leena ma'am, यहाँ पे देखिए। Leena ma'am, please look here. NP sir, look here, and yay! Thank you.
Thank you.
And now that we've been and now for the photo op, आप मैम आप और तीनों प्लीज खड़े रहिए यहाँ पर। या यू कैन हैव अ
गुरु इधर आ जाओ। आप यहाँ आओ।
हेलो।
यहाँ आओ।
हाँ गिव इट, हाँ इधर दीजिए।
We should be a little. Guru, आप थोड़ा उधर होइए. ठीक है?
Let us clear this.
इनको हटाने का क्या साइड में, क्योंकि ना अभी वो आएगा.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. We're going to play a video. For that, we'll need the stage. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. We'll be calling you again after we have the benches for the Q&A.
Thank you. Thank you.
अच्छा लगता है ना इसे बैठ के, and I can still fit, so it means I am still so young. Thank you. And one more time, can we have NP sir and Leena ma'am on stage,
Hello.
please?
Kamakshi, I have 2 mics in my hand.
And Tiger sir. And microphones. Mic.
Back to school.
So until this happens, can I take a selfie, please? Sir, yeah. NP sir, smile.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे माइक कहाँ है? माइक कहाँ है? Let us begin with the questions.
The mic is there. Just hand it over.
Achha, who wants? Yeah.
Check. Hi Tiger, this is Alok from.
Hi Alok sir.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि जब आपको ये ऑफर आया कि आपको इस चैनल का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनना है, तो क्या ख्यालात थे और आपने हाँ क्यों कहा?
मैंने एकदम से हाँ बोला क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई लव चिल्ड्रन. ये चैनल खासकर इज़ एन एसोसिएशन विद with kids. It's primarily a kids channel. तो उसे लेकर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि I get to interact with children, I get to watch cartoons. I love cartoons, and I'm a child at heart, sir. So I think that's probably why. Yeah, I immediately was very excited. बहुत excited था मैं when they offered me this. So yeah.
बचपन में कोई 5 गेम जो आप अक्सर खेला करते थे?
5 गेम तो याद नहीं. मैं आउटडोर्स ज़्यादा फुटबॉल ज़्यादा खेलता था. एथलेटिक्स में बहुत इन्वॉल्व था. तो मैं एक आउटडोर बच्चा था. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले रनिंग रेसेस खेलता था, ये सब वगैरह. आई वाज वेरी एक्टिव दैट वे. वीडियो गेम्स बहुत कम खेलता था मैं. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच कार्टून्स, येस, बट नॉट एज मच.
कोई गेम अगर याद आता है आपको आज के दिन? गेम
एक मॉर्टल कॉम्बैट करके एक गेम है जो एक फाइटिंग गेम है. तो वहाँ से काफ़ी मेरे जितने भी एक्शन कोरियोग्राफीज हैं मैं वहाँ से भी काफ़ी कॉपी करता हूँ. सो या.
सिंह साहब, कब इसकी नींव रखी गई थी आपके जहन में, या आपकी टीम ने कब सोचा था कि व्हेन वी गोना स्टार्ट ये?
जब हम इसके बारे में सोच रहे थे, वी वांटेड समबडी हु इज full of energy, verve, who's fun, and who's the hero of the kids. और पहला नाम जो आया वो टाइगर का आया because he personifies all that and much more than what I said. So it was an easy decision for us.
Hi Tiger.
Hi ma'am. Hi.
Hi. As a brand ambassador, आपकी क्या responsibilities रहेंगी इस चैनल को लेके?
क्या responsibilities है? I think just giving out the right messages to the youth, to the children, hopefully entertaining them. That's a big responsibility, keeping them entertained through these new various intriguing cartoons that we've released recently. And just sort of being myself. I think that's why the children have taken up to me, because I'm just myself. मैं बहुत open हूँ, बहुत accessible हूँ, खासकर बच्चों के लिए. I'm most comfortable around them. So just being me, having attributes of a superhero, and basically trying to live a very, I wouldn't say heroic life, but try to have some positive value and try to share the good values and teach the kids whatever. I don't want to preach or anything, but teach the kids, I wouldn't say respect, but the right values, and hopefully push them towards making the right choices in life. So just, I think so far doing what I've been doing, man.
टाइगर जी, आपने बच्चों के साथ इतनी उछल कूद करी है.
हाँ जी.
तो बच्चे वाकई में इस उछल कूद को करते करते यदि डगमगा गए तो उनका क्या हाल होगा?
जी, वो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मैंने बहुत प्रैक्टिस की है सर बचपन से. एंड आई हैव बिन गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट. काफ़ी सारे रिक्वेस्ट आते रहते बहुत सारे फैमिलीज से. माई किड्स वॉन्ट टू जॉइन एक्शन और डांस, या दे वांट टू स्टंट सीखना है उन्हें. कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, आई ऑलवेज टेल देम सेफ्टी सबसे पहला रूल है टू लर्न एनी ऑफ दीज आर्ट फॉर्म्स. तो never try anything by yourself. It should always be under supervision. अगर supervision नहीं है तो they should definitely not involve themselves in any of these activities without supervision. Yeah.
NP सिंह, मेरा एक सवाल है आपसे कि इसमें सब झेल माल जो आपका एपिसोड आने वाला है,
झोलमाल,
उसमें आपको ध्यान होगा टेलीविज़न का एक शक्तिमान का आया था टेलीविज़न पे बच्चों का, तो उसका प्रभाव जो पड़ा था बच्चों पे, तो इसको भी मद्देनज़र रखा गया है क्या जानवरों के साथ जब ये खेल होंगे?
बिल्कुल. ये जब आप ये शो देखेंगे, शायद आपने क्लिप्स में भी देखा होगा, ये जैसे बच्चे शरारतें करते हैं उस टाइप की शरारतें बहुत सेंसिटिव तरीके से हम लोग अपने सारे शोज़ को हैंडल कर रहे हैं एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल ब्रॉडकास्टर. और एक छोटी सी सीख भी उनको बीच में मिलेगी. जैसा टाइगर ने कहा, हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रीच करना नहीं है, लेकिन अगर थोड़ा सा वैल्यूज़ उनके लिए छोड़ के जाएँ अपने शो में, वो हमारी एक कोशिश है अपने शोज़ के थ्रू. और कुछ ऐसा नहीं किया जाएगा जो बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित करे कि उसको घर में कॉपी करें और it'll hurt them. We'll be very, very careful about that.
Hello, Tiger. I have two questions from you.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Very first question, जैकी श्रॉफ अंकल किंग अंकल बन के आए थे
जी।
आप ऐसा कुछ करने वाले हो?
किंग अंकल तो नहीं सर, पर आई थिंक मैंने जो कुछ भी किया, आई थिंक जितने भी फिल्म्स दैट हैव टेकन अ पार्ट ऑफ, मैंने 3 फिल्में की thus far, और आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम आई एम सॉर्ट ऑफ एंटरटेन द चिल्ड्रन, यू नो. पर किंग अंकल जैसी पिक्चर वो एक वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट पिक्चर्स है सर, पर आई डोंट थिंक आई वुड लुक द पार्ट. You know, my father was superb in that role, and I don't think I would want to do something like that.
Great. And one more thing I want to ask you. What is the full form of this YAY?
YAY? What is the full form of YAY, sir? I think it's just stands for ye. Ye matlab, ye, you know, like
that
how
is
you
Maje,
celebrate.
Maje.
That's it. So
that is Maje ye.
हाँ जी.
Thank you.
Hi. Hello. Tiger. Straight. Ariman, yeah?
Hi, sir. Hi.
In the most formative years of children, there are a lot of advices, tips, and grooming which is given by the mother. So, in your childhood, what are the 3 or 4 tips or advices your mom has given which have made you a much better individual? Because your dad was quite busy shooting. So
I'll tell you the main thing what they've given me. They've given me a lot of freedom. I believe if you give your child a certain sense of freedom, not too much liberty also, but a certain sense of freedom at a very young age, you know, if you don't make him feel as though he's restricted from some things, that child won't get tempted in the wrong manner ever. So I think I'm very thankful that my mother and father दोनों मुझे बहुत freedom दिए बचपन से, और शायद इसलिए मैं कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं उठाता उस चीज़ का. And you know, I don't really take advantage of any of that and sort of make the wrong choices. So I think just the fact that they've given me a very loving, free childhood. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My next question is for Ms. Datta. Yeah. During the conceptualization of this channel, which is again based on cartoons, you have a lot of other cartoon networks and other Pogo channels available. You're coming up with 4 shows. So what are the principles of the Sony family which you have tried to incorporate within this channel and make sure that the Sony principles take forward?
So the Sony principles, actually all the channels denote entertainment for their audiences. As Mr. Singh says that there was already an existing loyal base of young audiences. We just have tried to give them something in their own language, in their own format, which is animation. And we've taken all the nuances which they would want to know of, whether it is stories, what happens in their day-to-day lives is what we've incorporated in the storytelling. So primarily we have made a conscious a diktat that we will go 100% Desi. We will give kids what they want. We will take from the kids and give it back to the kids in any form of entertainment that actually is within the SPN network and the essence of SPN.
टाइगर, आज भी कार्टून देखना कितना पसंद करते हो और कौन से कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स है जो you know you must have inspired in your like childhood?
Inspired. I've बचपन से मेरे इंस्पिरेशंस हमेशा सुपर हीरोज़ होते थे और अभी भी है. आई थिंक स्पाइडरमैन मेरा सबसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन है, क्योंकि he was an underdog in society. एक underdog था वो आदमी, you know, in society. But when he used to put the costume on, एक जिम्मेदारी आती थी उन पे, एक responsibility, एक मकसद आता था, you know, and he used to stand for hope. And he used to not be like Superman, indestructible. He used to still have that vulnerability. तो वो जो मासूमियत जो है स्पाइडरमैन में, you know, and that power at the same time, that balance was very appealing for me, you know. I felt he was the most mortal of all the superheroes, the most human of all superheroes. And I try and imbibe some of his traits, you know. They say with great power comes great responsibility. तो अगर मेरे पास वो पावर होता तो, you know, I would definitely try and make a change in our country खासकर our environment first and foremost. So yeah.
And where are the times when you say ये? आज भी तो होता होगा ना?
ये हर संडे को ये बोलता हूँ मैं क्योंकि मुझे आइसक्रीम खाने को मिलता है तो संडे इज़ माई ये डे या
मेरा सवाल लीना मैडम
एनपी साहब से एक ज़्यादातर यहाँ पर सब एनिमेटेड शोज़ हैं एक्चुअली, तो स्पेशल खास अपने ऐसे ध्यान रखें कि सब एनिमेटेड शोज़ ही रहेंगे बच्चों के लिए।
हाँ बिल्कुल, एनिमेटेड कैरेक्टर्स बच्चों को ज़्यादा अपील करते हैं, उनके साथ बहुत कुछ किया जा सकता है, इसीलिए हम एनिमेटेड कैरेक्टर्स के साथ ही शो बना रहे हैं। लाइव एक्शन जैसा मैंने पहले कहा था, कुछ देर पहले कहा था, लाइव एक्शन सोनी पे और सब पे और पल पे काफ़ी है और बच्चे काफ़ी उसको आके देखते हैं, वो उस पर एंजॉय करते रहेंगे, लेकिन एनिमेटेड शो देखने के लिए सोनी ए पे आएंगे बच्चे।
Hello. Hi Tiger, here.
Hi.
Unnati from Spotboy. So my question is to you that you're the Ye brand ambassador. So as a entertainer and as a an icon for kids, what do you have to say about being the brand ambassador of Ye?
Like I said, I'm very happy and privileged to be at the position I'm in. I'd like to thank Sony for giving me this opportunity. It's sort of a responsibility now, and I hope I can continue entertaining the children and being their hero for as long as I can fly or dance and do all of these things. And yeah, I'm very privileged and happy to be a part of this association. Yeah.
Tiger, don't mind me asking this, but RGB tweets, especially targeting you and with youth, have been trolling. So what do you have to say about that?
I don't know. I think I've said this before. Everybody has a freedom of speech, of course. RGB एक senior आदमी है, एक he's been in the industry for years. I've just recently entered into the industry. तो अगर मन की बात बोलूँ तो शायद appropriate नहीं होगा, पर मैं इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि I'm just glad I've made some sort of an identity, some sort of mark in the industry that people are at least talking about me, and I've made some sort of an impact. So if he finds, thank you. So if that whatever makes him happy, then it's okay. But there's really nothing much I can say. He's a senior man, and it would be out of line if I was to react. And I don't want to bring any shame to my mother or father, anyways, because I know they wouldn't want me to react, and I don't want to bring more light to the situation.
Thank you.
अच्छा, मेरा सवाल लीना मैडम से है। यहाँ कहते हैं बच्चों के लिए कोई सीरियल या कार्यक्रम बनाना बच्चों का खेल नहीं होता है, ऐसे में ये चैनल के लिए आपको क्या क्या चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ा था?
Challenges तो पहले बहुत सारी थी, but once when we fought all through that and we actually visualized what we wanted to get across, we were pretty comfortable in embracing the challenges. The biggest challenge of all was getting 4 different shows out there to the kids. Very different in nature, very different thematically, having the comedy essence attached to it, making it 100% Desi, giving it to them in 3 different languages, that's Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. So all these challenges were thrown at us that we were very, very actually hopeful that we will overcome all of it because we believed in the content and we know that it's going to be, a big hit with the kids. Yeah.
नमस्कार सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन है सिंह साहब से। सर हियर। नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार।
सर आपने भी बताया कि जो बच्चे थे सो सब बड़े हो गए। As we know that Sony is a very huge network, but there is no youth-based channel, sir, in Sony channel.
Youth-based channel nominated चाहे कोई ना हो, but हमारे सारे नेटवर्क पे ऐसा बहुत कंटेंट है जो यूथ को अपील करता है, चाहे वो हमारे म्यूज़िक चैनल्स हों, जो एक्चुअली जो लास्ट हमारा म्यूज़िक चैनल था रॉक्स, सोनी रॉक्स HD, that was launched with youth in mind. It has today's music, which appeals to the youth and has worked really well. But apart from that, whether it is our content on Sony and Sub, or it is our movies on Max, or on Pix and Lovelex HD, or the entire sports bouquet that we have, has a lot of content which appeals to the youth, especially on sports. We have a lot of sport that the youth is following today, whether it is football, which is becoming huge with the youth, or it is basketball with NBA or UFC, and I can go on and on. There's a vast array of content that we provide on our network which appeals to youth, and they come to our network regularly.
Okay, so thank you.
Hi, my name is Jigar. I'm from Mumbai. My question is to Singh sir and Leena ma'am. Is there a conscious decision why we've put all the 4 original programs in the morning slots? Or is there any reason behind having that?
So basically, we actually did that consciously. If you see the habits of the children right now, starting from the summertime, when they are at home, when they have so much of free time, you'll always see the mother putting on the TV first thing and telling the kids, okay, you know, this is your time. We consciously want to promote the morning time so that we build audiences over there. We've started off our morning slot with Sab Jhol Malhe and then going into Guru Bhole and then Prince Jay and Damdar Viru. We want to build that slot from its existing threshold level where it is at and get more eyeballs in.
And one more question. Any reason why we chose 2 South Indian languages and not any other language or regional language in India primarily, besides Hindi?
So our endeavor is to actually go, you know, in many more regional languages. It is, for the first year, we are keeping it only to Tamil and Telugu. We will actually build on that plan depending upon how we kind of phase out our other, you know, languages, whether we want to go Bangla or Marathi and, you know, where all we want to reach out to.
Thank you.
Okay, I suppose...
Hello.
Last question.
Yeah,
okay.
Tiger. Yeah, hi. Yeah, would you be, as a brand ambassador, would you be interacting, would there be some kind of an interactive opportunity for kids to connect with you on the show in terms of, you know, some kind of a communication?
I'm sure that we'll be planning something like that in the future. And like, for instance, we'll be holding contests, you know. So, yeah, watch out for more in that space, and it'll be a pleasure to interact with the children, yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, I would like to thank you all for coming, and of course we have tea and snacks for you outside. I suppose the questions are done. Thank you, sir, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, Tiger.
Sir.
Sorry, what's the question? Moti, yeah. Oh, in Sab Jhol Malhe.
Silence! थोड़ा आराम से
लुक आपको लुक देना है यहाँ पे अच्छा कैमरा
अरे मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है गाइस रेडी
सोनी ने बहुत सारा रिसर्च करके आपका नाम सामने आया है बच्चों के बीच। आई थिंक मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई बच्चा आपके बियॉन्ड जाता है इन दिनों।
थैंक यू।
वांट टू नो कि आप जब बच्चों से मिलते हो
जी
तो आपका वो इंटरेक्शन क्या होता है, क्या पूछते हैं वो आपसे?
आई थिंक मैं सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल बच्चे लोग के साथ ही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं खुद अपने आप को एक बच्चा मानता हूँ दिल से। आई डोंट नो, जैसे कि अगर मैं कहीं बाहर जाऊँ कोई अवार्ड फंक्शन के लिए या कोई इवेंट के लिए, आई मोस्ट आउट ऑफ प्लेस एंड ऑकवर्ड, बट व्हेन अ चाइल्ड कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, मुझे पता है वो नॉन जजमेंटल है, मुझे पता है वो मतलब ही जस्ट वांट्स टू बी यू नो वांट्स टू एक्सप्रेस हिज लव, ही कुछ भी बोलेगा, यू नो, ही जस्ट किड्स हैव वाइल्ड इमेजिनेशंस एंड ऑल्सो समटाइम्स यू नो दे कम अप टू मी एंड से अरे आप ये कैसे करते हो, आप वो करके दिखाओ, आप ये डांस करके दिखाओ, वो स्टैंड करके दिखाओ. सो आई फील सो गुड, you know, when kids come up to me and ask me for these favors. I'm most comfortable and happy around children.
Tiger, when you look back, जब बचपन की याद तो हमेशा चेहरे पे एक मुस्कुराहट स्माइल ही देती है।
हाँ जी।
तो क्या याद आता है, मतलब you know, we leave that stage, but
ये ठीक है? ये ठीक है? ओके। सॉरी।
उन्हीं से करवा लेते। हम जानना चाहते हैं बचपन की कुछ यादें जो हमेशा ताज़ ज़िंदगी आपके साथ जुड़ी रहती हैं।
बहुत सारे हैं, पर आई थिंक उस टाइम में टेंशन बहुत कम लेता था मैं, और आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट वेट। शाम को मुझे हमेशा फुटबॉल खेलने को मिलता था, तो आई जस्ट एंजॉय प्लेइंग विद द नेबरहुड किड्स फुटबॉल, और जो भी स्पोर्ट्स का बड़ा शौक था बचपन से ही। तो यू नो एनी टाइम प्लेइंग एनी स्पोर्ट जस्ट विद द किड्स वाज फन।
टाइगर, आजकल सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, आप भी सोशल मीडिया पे काफ़ी एक्टिव रहते हैं, तो सोशल मीडिया पे जो बुलिंग होती है लोगों की, उसको आप किस तरह टैकल करते हैं और किस तरह देखते हैं?
बुलिंग एक एग्जांपल दो मुझे सर, मतलब किस मामले में?
रामगोपाल वर्मा अक्सर करते रहते हैं सबकी बुलिंग।
आई थिंक सर, जैसे मैंने कहा, एक फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है। कुछ लोगों के पास ज़्यादा वक्त ज़्यादा है, तो दे स्पेंड देयर टाइम डूइंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स। सम पीपल जो बहुत बिजी रहते हैं, आई थिंक इन सब चीज़ों के लिए टाइम नहीं होता है। एंड हाँ सॉरी, भूल गया। और यार सर, जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं बहुत छोटा इंसान हूँ इंडस्ट्री में, अभी लॉन्च हुई मेरी, तो आई कांट रियली से मच टू सच सीनियर आर्टिस्ट इन आवर इंडस्ट्री, एंड इट वुड बी आउट ऑफ माय प्लेस टू से एनीथिंग बैक टू देम।
नहीं, तो एज अ सीनियर आर्टिस्ट, इतने मैच्योर आर्टिस्ट, उनको इस तरह की बातें शोभा देती हैं?
आप मुझे फंसाने की कोशिश कर रहा सर, मुझे इतना पता है, पर अगर मन की बात बोलता तो मैं ज़रूर फंसता अभी, पर मैं इतना बोलना चाहूँगा कि I don't know, I'm not very, I don't pay too much attention to a lot of social media. मैं social media इसलिए यूज़ करता हूँ to just post videos या small things, या to just be in touch with my fans, but मैं ज़्यादातर न्यूज़ नहीं देखता हूँ।
अच्छा, बचपन में कौन से कार्टून आपको पसंद थे?
पावर रेंजर्स बहुत देखता था मैं। आई लाइक पावर रेंजर्स वेरी मच।
टाइगर, जैसे कि आप किड्स के फेवरेट स्टार हैं, तो साथ ही जानना चाहेंगे, आपकी मूवी आई थी जो सुपर हीरो वाली टाइम पे, क्या उसकी भी सीरीज़ की तरह या शो की तरह एनिमेशन करके दिखाया जाएगा?
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं मैम, पर मुझे इतना पता है कि एक गेम बनाया गया है इस पर, फ्लाइंग जेट गेम है, एंड उसके अलावा आई डोंट थिंक वी हैव एक्सप्लोर्ड। खिलौने पे टॉयज़ काफ़ी सारे हैं फ्लाइंग जेट के, उसके अलावा आई डोंट थिंक वी प्लान एनीथिंग अहेड ऑफ दैट।
टाइगर, ऑल्सो जानना चाहेंगे कि जब बॉक्स ऑफिस पे फिल्में नहीं चलती हैं, तो टाइगर पर्सनली कितना डिप्रेस फील करते हैं?
बहुत इमोशनल आदमी हूँ मैं, स्पेशली काम को लेकर बहुत इमोशनल हूँ मैं, क्योंकि वी पुट इन सो मच हार्ड वर्क एज आर्टिस्ट इन फिल्म, एंड आई थिंक ऑल द आर्टिस्ट वुड एग्री, एंड हु डजंट वांट देयर फिल्म्स टू डू वेल। खासकर सिर्फ मेले ने, एक टीम एफर्ट है, एक फिल्म क्राफ्ट, एंड आई थिंक टू मेक अ मूवी a lot of people are involved, so I just feel bad for the whole unit as a whole, when a film doesn't work.
We'll take the last question. One second. We'll take the last question, guys. Last question. Munna Michael. Sir, what is the status of Munna Michael?
एक गाना मेरे ख्याल से बचा है सर, और एक आई थिंक ऑल द टॉकीज आर फिनिश, एक गाना बचा है सर, दैट्स इट।
और टाइगर, हर कोई ऐप लॉन्च कर रहा है, और आपने जस्ट अभी वेबसाइट, शिल्पा जी की वेबसाइट पे आप एज ए गेस्ट गए थे, तो हर एक सेलिब्रिटी ऐप लॉन्च करे, तो आपको अगर मौका मिले तो आप ऐप लॉन्च कर पाएंगे जहाँ पे आपके फिटनेस सीक्रेट रूटीन या फिर डेथ स्टेप्स?
ज़रूर, अगर मौका मिलेगा आई वुड लव टू शेयर, बिकॉज आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट, काफ़ी सारे रिक्वेस्ट आते रहते हैं फ्रॉम फैंस एंड फ्रेंड्स about fitness, about small things. So yeah, I would love to share whatever little secrets. I don't have any secrets, so I share everything with everybody.
टाइगर, अगर हम बात करें चैनल पे बच्चों को मस्ती के अलावा कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, कोई शोज ऐसा?
I think हर शो जो हम दिखाने जा रहे हैं, हर शो में एक मैसेज है, एक संदेश है for all the kids, and it's done in a very very sweet and light-hearted manner. So yeah. for kids to understand.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.